All right, what else do you want to look at, guys? Here, we just kind of did euro and the dollar, so let's just go to gold. Jeez, really soft this morning. So, guys, this trend line here on gold's in play that we've been highlighting for a while. Um, Pretty technical, you know. I I just teach you guys. I used to really be into the trend lines when I was first starting out, and even the beginning part of my professional career is just like you can get sucked into really being level specific, but then I kind of learned that it's more about an area. So even if we break this trend line, you can come right back up. You can kind of plug into the trend line and then rally. The mistake that some traders make is they give this trend line so much importance that literally some traders will flip and get short if this breaks, and that's just a good way to totally get stuck selling the lows. All right, so I've stopped trading like that for a long time. So these are areas. So it's the same with the moving averages, same with the trend lines. Just because you're level specific above or below it doesn't make it bearish. What makes this bearish is this intermediate term trend. So when I was nibbling here, that's why we were selling out of some here, because this was the top of the range. And then you have the big picture range. It's more like this, a big picture trend. So we need to watch this whole area to see if the market can hold. But I'm really not in a hurry to get long. I mean, tiny core long, and I've been very passive about adding to it. Um, so anyway, if we can't hold 1220, then that's going to open the door to you have these two spots of support. But really, if we take this out, I mean, it opens. There's a lot of room to fall back below 1200. This is kind of 1180. So pretty weak that the dollar's been trading off and gold's been going down. But this morning you have dollar up and you have rates up, so gold doesn't like that. When you look at the silver market, even there's a lot more beta here, so monthly cycle still has room to come down. And I've talked about maybe getting long silver below 16, 14 handle, 15 handle. It's again, I just think we're kind of in this. Silver is even more bearish here because you're making lower highs. I mean, when you do rally, you're getting bigger percentage moves. There's no reason why we can't test 16. I may take a contrarian long at 16, start building a position maybe. You can always play silver Wheaton around the silver price also. The chart wants to load. Palladium's been pretty strong. We moved up about halfway back up off this move here. Palladium, that's not a bad spot to look at taking along. The daily cycle's pretty low. We could get a swing move back up. That's been one of the best places to be in commodities. Copper had a pretty good week last week. Copper's been, I mean, inflation's been rolling off the peak in the first quarter. But now copper's kind of changed its trend. It's changed its tune here. It's been in this type of mode. So this next pullback on copper is actually viable, guys. Back here towards this 30. As this turns back up, and you're getting higher lows here. These are phase 1 lower lows. These are phase 2 higher lows, and now you just had phase 3. Does everybody see that? That's pretty interesting on the copper market. Let's move to the energy space.